Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to handle project risks using teamwork.com. Managing these risks effectively is crucial to any project's success, so let's get started. Our first step is to log into teamwork.com and navigate to the Risks tab. Now this is where you'll be managing all your project risks. The reason we start here is because having a centralized location for all your risks makes it easier to track and mitigate them. Next up, it's time to add a new risk. Click on the Add Risk button, fill in the necessary details such as title, description, potential impact, and likelihood. This step is important because it allows you to outline what the risk is, how likely it is to occur, and its potential impact on your project. Now that we've entered our risk, we need to assign it. Select the Assign button and choose the team member best suited to handle this risk. The reason we do this is to ensure that someone is directly responsible for monitoring and managing each risk. This helps us maintain accountability and ensure that risks are addressed promptly. Moving on, we'll set a mitigation plan. Click on the Mitigation Plan section and outline the steps needed to counteract the risk. This is crucial because it provides a clear roadmap on how to handle the risk should it occur. Finally, monitor your risks regularly. This can be done by checking the Risks tab frequently and updating the status of each risk as necessary. Regular monitoring is key to staying ahead of potential issues and ensuring your project stays on track. And that's it. With these steps, you can effectively manage project risks using teamwork.com. Remember, the key to successful risk management is continuous monitoring and adjustment. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, happy project managing.